On Amazon, this cabinet holds a solid 4.4-star rating, trusted by thousands of happy customers. People keep saying things like better than expected, super sturdy, and even prettier in person. That's the Yechen home difference. Check out that natural wood grain, warm, smooth, and rich with detail. The metal handles feel sturdy and glide like butter every time you open it. And the hand-woven rattan doors? Breathable, elegant, and full of handcrafted charm. Place it in your entryway, and suddenly the whole space feels tidy and inviting. In the living room, it works as both storage and a stylish focal point. In your dressing area, it's perfect for organizing accessories, scarves or handbags, practical and chic. Even in the bedroom, it blends right in. One cabinet, endless uses, a favorite for the whole home. That's Yechen Home, making every corner feel a little more beautiful.
Living airflow.